Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam Christmas centerpiece. So what you'll need is florals of your choice. I've got some white poinsettias here, and I picked these up at Family Dollar. So I picked these up at Family Dollar. I've got some Christmas ornaments in silver. Picked these up at Dollar Tree. You're going to need a candlestick holder. You're going to need a votive holder. And I've got one of these little bowls here that I picked up at Dollar Tree as well. I've got some hot glue. I've got some of these peel and stick gemstones. I've got some silver spray paint. I've got one of these styrofoam balls that I have cut in half, and you can pick these up at Michael's or Joann's or places like that. You may be able to find some smaller ones at Dollar Tree. I've got a little bit of the regular diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. Pick this up at Dollar Tree. I've got a little bit of that. I've got some of these loose gemstones from Walmart. And then I have 2 packs of these snowflakes, and they're glitter silver. I picked these up at Family Dollar. And these are the items that we'll need in order to complete the Christmas centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take this bowl and I'm going to take it out, just turn it up like this, and then I'm going to spray paint it with this silver spray paint. Once that's dry, then I'll come back and show you how I'm going to be using the bowl. But in the meantime, I'm going to be working on other components for the centerpiece. Isn't this beautiful, you guys? Now let's play around and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.